turn this around.
Yeah.
And show you where we are. We're at the Weber Center at the College of Central Florida.
In Ocala, Florida. It's December 17th, 2022, and today is the opening day for a cool exhibit.
Called?
Trains at the Holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the Ocala Model Railroad's Historic Preservation Society. So excited.
It's unbelievable. We're doing our intro after we were already in there, so we already know the trains, the layouts, the detail to the little things that surround the trains.
Everything's to
It's just
scale.
incredible.
Yeah, the people and all had great interviews with Tom. He's wonderful, and all the Ocala Model Railroaders. They're so welcoming. Wonderful.
Don't let this one pass you by. You gotta come here. If you love trains, if you love model trains, if you have children who love trains. And Robin is going to tell you that the price is so affordable.
It is.
That you're just going to say, "Are you kidding me?" And tell them the price.
It's free.
It's free.
It's free.
It's
free.
free.
You can make a donation if you want, but it's free.
Yeah. So.
And this is running through December 30th, 2022. So this is so cool.
Oh, so it's today's the first day. So only 2 weeks.
Yep. Today's the first day, December 17th, and it's on site until December 30th, 2022 is the last day.
All right. Well.
But you don't got to worry because the Ocala Model Railroaders, they're in town with their museum, and just look them up, and they do invite people to come over.
Hold on, we got somebody showing us something. What is it?
Engine number 1.
Engine number... Oh, it's not there now. It's just the clock. Show me. Engine number 1. Oh, what's that from?
This is Jacksonville. This engine is engine number 1. It's a CSX freight engine.
Oh
my!
Oh, wow!
CSX freight transportation.
Spirit of West Virginia.
Oh, wow!
Yeah.
So what is your name?
John.
John, nice to meet you, John. Let me shake your hand here.
All right.
Yeah, thank you so much. We had a good time in there.
Oh yeah.
It was great. It was wonderful.
I find them all the time on Google.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look up what you want to find on Google. So CSX, BNSF. Santa Fe, anything.
Yeah.
It'll come right up there.
Fun stuff.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Well, nice to meet you too.
Alrighty.
Have a great day.
Alrighty.
All right, let's go in there now and see the trains. All right, we are looking at some trains today. Oh my gosh. Look at that train. That is cool. That's nice. Going into the tunnel. Oh, the detail, yeah.
All of these rocks, the cliffs, do not touch, I'm sorry.
This looks like someplace we went to in the Carolinas.
Yeah, look at that. That car ran off the road, so he needs a wrecker.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah.
He needs a wrecker.
Oh, very cool. Here comes the train. And there's the wreck. The guy who got stuck.
Oh, here's some fun. You see the light in the front?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Just so you know, you have to be careful to touch me like the...
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
It looked cool in the viewfinder. It looks like a real train.
Everything they did is like hand.
It's so unbelievable.
This is amazing.
Are you... Oh, no. I just work here. Yeah.
Look at that. Whoa. There we see a train coming through the thing. Let's see. Here comes the train. Doesn't that look real? Wow. Little cattle. Little cows. This is so detailed. Woo. There we go. Wow, this is so nice.
What size? What gauge is this one?
N.
An N gauge. Oh my. Oh, you even have like a train graveyard or something.
What is it? Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Is this your layout?
Belongs to the organization.
Pardon?
Belongs to the club.
Oh, okay.
We did the AutoTrain in July, I guess it was.
Yeah.
And this is what it reminds me of.
This is so cool.
Uh-oh, there's a car broken down there. Oh, there's a wreck. There's a fire engine.
Yeah, but look at the different trains, all the freights,
Yeah,
all that detail, and the lighted lights.
yeah. Very cool. Train. Look at the whole town.
A cement, inland cement water tower. Is it blue from the water tower? I can't make it out.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. All the different stores. Oh, look at the air balloon.
Where's the hot air balloon?
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
There are people. Oh, look at this. Water. A big river. The guy fishing.
Where's the guy fishing?
Right down there.
Oh, yeah.
And then the tunnel for cars and tunnel for trains.
Wow.
I love the trees and the cabin. Oh, we gotta get this. This is so cool. Isn't it cool?
Very cool. That is so nice.
I love it. Oh, nice. Oh, crossing gates. This is like a waterfall. See, it's coming from the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
It's a mountain stream. Look at all these streams. This is N gauge, as Ellen said.
That's very cool.
This is smaller than HO?
Yeah, on half the size.
On half the size.
There's one smaller than this.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
And all of these are separate panels?
Yeah, sectional.
Transport. Wow. This takes a long time. I love the detail on the rocks.
Yeah. Very cool.
And since this is called Trains at the Holidays, they have all train Christmas cards hanging on the different walls here, like where we came in behind us.
Oh, yeah.
1960. American Railroads back in the United States. Oh, it's all their logos.
Very cool. Let's see the other one.
Marion County.
Oh, the map of Marion County.
Yeah. Ocala. Florida Southern Railway. Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And here's the photographs. Let's see if we recognize any of these train stations. Juliet, that would be north of Dunnellon, right?
Yeah. Ooh, isn't that something?
That's Rainbow Springs, right?
Yeah. There's Wearsdale, it says.
And this one's Ocala
In Fort McCoy.
Valley Depot.
Martin, Florida.
Where's that?
It's
Martin.
It's right before 301 and 441 split on the way to Gainesville.
Oh, really?
I see the sign that says Martin with an
Yeah,
arrow,
yeah.
but I don't know.
What's this? This is the AFL Depot. Ocala.
ACL.
ACL, sorry.
ACL Depot. And you know that hasn't changed. This building and
Oh, that's
And
the one we
this.
know? That's the train station we know?
that's what it looks like to me.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, Callum was right here.
Well, where's this one? Is this...
Is that the same one?
And I just took a recent picture of that one. The
Oh,
Callum.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This
Oh.
is beautiful.
Yeah, it used to be right by the public library, where the public library used to be.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was the station there.
Really?
Wow.
Oh yeah, because the train track runs
Yeah.
right by. Well,
Yeah.
maybe that's what that one is then.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow.
I've been in Macintosh. The Macintosh one's still standing.
Oh yeah,
Still-
Macintosh.
yeah, the
is
track's still out there.
Macintosh is wonderful.
The only one I really would know is that one. That one.
Yeah, that's a Macintosh right there.
No, not the Mac. I wouldn't know that one, but the one you just showed me.
That's,
Yeah,
that's-
that one.
that's-
That's the only one I really know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Silver Springs. Oh, there's what the steamboat is.
Yeah.
When it came in
Glass
Silver
bottom boat
Springs.
docks.
Oh, wow.
It's a glass bottom boat
Yeah.
dock.
So that's the train. That's the steamboat that kept coming in and out back in the
I've
day.
never seen pictures of that. I've heard of that, but I've never seen pictures of it.
No, it says Heartline Steamboat.
Are any of those rails still there?
No.
Oh, they're all gone?
Yeah.
Wearsdale,
The
Macintosh.
glass bottom boat dock is basically the station for it.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's still there.
I never knew that.
Yeah.
Here's Spar. Look at the size of that engine.
Yeah. yeah.
So powerful. Bellevue.
Those trees almost look like Santa and the reindeer.
Yeah, they do.
Right now I'm thinking about Christmas. Look at the old car in this one. Look at the old car
Oh, yeah.
right there.
Citra. And Lowell. I didn't realize there were all those stops along the route. This is pretty cool.
So
part
here's
of
the
our history
depots.
of Marion County. Look at that.
Never knew that.
No. Railroad depots and whistle stops. Oh, here's one. Railroads. It tells you about the first railroad in 1886.
Oh yeah. Let's look at these trains. Back to the trains, back to the star of the show. Oh, this is a bigger one than the other one. Whoa, that looks real.
That does.
This is HO?
Yeah, so that's what the gentleman told me.
I like this one. I like the other one too, but the other one looks too dainty to me.
Yeah.
I would break it or something. There goes the caboose.
It's yellow. It's not red. I love the trees. Look at that. They're sitting on the park bench.
I'm a human
and
drone.
they're talking to people. I know. but
Flying
they're
over the
talking.
town.
Look at the horses pulling the carriage with the general store merchandise.
Cool.
I like the detail too.
The detail is unbelievable.
Oh, there's a buck running.
Yeah.
It looks like a hunter. It's gonna get him. Oh, and they're riding horses. Look at that. They're riding horses. Everything's to scale, it looks like.
Very cool. Look, even the windmills are blowing.
All the street lights are on. Oh, here he comes.
Trains for the holidays.
Here he comes. Oh, there comes another one. Look at all the horses on that side.
Yeah. Wow, it looks so real. Looks like I'm flying over it. There's all the cattle. Oh yeah.
Another windmill.
Look at all those trains over there.
Wow.
Oh,
Holy cow, that is cool.
that must be Wildwood.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. Look at the electrical lines
Yeah.
and everything, and the water wheel. Oh, here comes one. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, I love it. Some kind of vat they're making stuff in. You think it's moonshine?
No, it's Petticoat Junction. That's where the three girls are swimming.
That's right. The sunflowers in their garden.
Oh yeah. Looks real, huh?
They do. Isn't this fun? I love the way the trees are draping
the
over
train.
the lake.
There's the train.
Here comes the caboose.
There's the caboose. Oh, this looks like downtown Ocala right here. That little area.
Yeah, country grocery. Look at the gas pumps. Oh, look at all these people. They're doing something. Oh, there's a band. Look at the band.
They're playing.
Hello. Oh, we got a search
I've got
thing.
another one too. If you're up to the challenge of doing 2 of them on this, I've got 2 of them, and I've got 2 of them for that one.
Oh, okay.
All of these are in the A truck. This is A truck. All of these are in the A truck.
Oh, okay.
Now, what's the challenge?
Well, we gotta find things.
Okay, tell me what you got to do.
We gotta find things.
The 2
All this
elevators
stuff.
may not necessarily be together.
Oh, okay, that sounds fun. All right, I didn't know there was a game we could play. Well, we will search now. We might have seen some of them already.
Yeah. This is fun. You can play this, seek and find them.
All right, tell me. I want to see what's on the list.
I'm gonna put my pen close to it. Escaping prisoner.
All right.
Here's the list.
All right, this is what we got to look for.
Yeah.
The escaping, 2 alligators,
Uh-huh.
escaping prisoner,
Uh-huh.
a fire truck,
Uh-huh.
a motorcycle, an owl, a man fishing,
We saw that one. We
deer,
saw that one.
3 forklifts, a man pumping gas, a propane tank, a welder, a pavement ends sign, watermelons, a snake, a man carrying a board, ice blocks, seaboard sign, Texaco sign, Hampton school bus, and a Sealand trailer. All right. All right, wow.
Yeah, more sunflowers. I like the escaping prisoner. That's pretty funny. Oh, here comes another
You just feel like going woo woo the whole time.
I know.
Oh wait, there's a school bus. Is that one of the things we're looking for? School bus?
Hampton School Bus.
Oh, I can't read it.
I think that's it. Look at all the people. Oh, he fell down.
Oh yeah.
Ladies running to give him CPR.
Gotta wait for the
Look,
train.
there's a dining car in there. Did you see all the inside through the window?
No, I didn't.
No, the car that just
I heard
went
you.
by.
I heard what you said.
You
Yeah.
could see the stuff in the window.
Look at that. There's a phone booth in there.
Yeah.
Boy, this takes a lot of time.
Oh, it takes a lot of time to build. Look at
put it
all
together.
that detail.
Yeah.
And then to transport it and hope you don't break it.
Right.
There's a bunch of forklifts around.
Oh, that's the forklift area?
Like 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's where you find the forklifts. There's a fire
There's
truck.
one on the other side somewhere too.
Oh, is it?
But I know there's.
Yeah, there's about there's 6 or 8 forklifts on this plant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's like 2 or 3 easily there. There's 3 right here. Fire trucks there too.
It is a fire truck.
There's a couple of them on the way out.
Some of them are based on true real things, but they're mostly kind of freelance. But where that lady's standing on the other side, that's actually based on what, Anthony?
Athens, Georgia? Or Anthony?
The one on the other side is Anthony, right? The orange truck. Yeah, and that's
Oh,
the
really?
buildings are actually there. We actually had a guy come in and say, I lived in that.
Oh, really?
That's my grandfather's house, and I spent the night in that house.
What?
I mean, that was pretty cool.
Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
Are actually modeled after it. So that one's pretty
Very
true.
neat.
Ocala Station is.
You guys put so much work into
This
this.
station is an actual copy of what's there.
Oh, that's the Ocala station. Oh, I recognize it. Yeah. Oh, and I see it now. Yeah.
But then this is like loosely modeled after a feed mill or a chemical plant.
You know, in my past,
It's supposed to be a brewery.
I picked up friends who took the Amtrak and ended up right there.
Yeah. Now the Amtrak bus stops there.
Right.
And they don't run the train anymore that way.
Very cool. Oh, there's a bigger train right here.
Very last day, somebody's going to win it.
Bigger train. Oh, you're buying some chances? Oh my gosh. Well, I know who you're going to give it to if you win it. Oh no, I don't know who you're going to give it to. I just realized it's either somebody who's 4 years old or somebody who's 64 years old, right?
That's right.
Yeah, she's
Now, it
got.
comes just the way that the train,
Wow.
if the legs fold up,
I bet it goes to the 4-year-old, right, Robin? That is nice. Wow, how can you stand to give it away?
every year we do it.
Wow.
We do it every year. Every year we build the layout, we give it away at the last day, at the closing hour.
That's very amazing. Look at how real that looks. feel like I'm a human drone with my little camera here. I didn't find the escaping prisoner yet. Oh, that one's got sound. No.
Trains, Labs from Milwaukee.
Oh, really?
Miller.
And this is Anthony right here.
Oh, wow.
See, it says Anthony right there on that building.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, isn't that something?
Anthony.
The Old Baptist Church. Fruit, a lot of fruit.
Orange trees, back when we used to have orange trees.
Yeah. The Cloud Super Service. There's our guy.
Did you find the prisoner yet? The escaping prisoner?
No. Well, I was talking to the gentleman over there about the trains, about the Ocala Model Railroad's historic preservation. They did a great job. Ooh, that's a super one.
One of them has sound, too. I don't know which one.
Well, that one seemed to have sound, that engine that went by.
Did it?
He had two fans on top. Look at the palm tree. Isn't that cool looking?
Yeah, yeah.
And the orange trees. Look at that, the Silver Springs billboard.
Yeah.
It's either a dead tree or a big snake.
Yeah, right.
Look at the little bird on top of it. They
Wow.
their detail. Uh-oh.
Oh, stop for the traffic. The hand of God helped them out.
I didn't do it.
Very cool. That was very fun.
Yeah. I've got to show you the things with the Milwaukee.
Show me the Milwaukee. Is it over here somewhere?
No, it's on toward the end.
Oh.
In the free yard.
Oh, over here, the beer.
Yeah. They know what Miller High Life, Milwaukee beer.
Oh yeah.
And then down there is Glass.
Flats. Yeah.
That's from the past. See, and it's German next to the Blacks.
3 sheets to the wind. Oh, Robin, you knocked the hook.
I went to point at something and I knocked your train off.
Oh, okay. We'll see. I'll see if I can catch up.
The hand of God. Whoa, look at how it fixes it.
Heidelberg. German. Because that's Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Heidelberg. And you got Coors.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
That is the neatest. I have never seen one of these.
Isn't that a cool thing? I know.
It is.
And the end result is so nice looking. It's just.
What's it take, an SD card or something?
It's a tiny little cut. One of those things. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
That
it.
is awesome.
Yeah, the picture looks so good. I think it's 1080 or.
It's so much easier than holding your phone and getting it ready.
And you see what it does? It's got.
Oh, it's got a gimbal in it too.
Yeah. Isn't that unbelievable?
Where did you find that?
On Amazon.
Really?
Yeah. It's made by this company. Well, it's DJI. DJI. Maybe they don't make the case. I don't know, but.
That's a fantastic little gadget.
Let me see if I have it on here.
The thing I really like is that you're able to see what you're filming.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm not so good. But you know what you can do? You can pull this off, and you can replace it with, I don't know. It's the thing that attaches to your phone.
Yeah.
So then you have a bigger monitor.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that.
That's great.
I'm still an amateur at everything, but
That's great. Do you have a YouTube channel? Do you put it on YouTube or anything?
we do. We have a little thing. Yeah, we put it up for the grandkids and you know stuff. So
Thank you, Tom. We're really enjoying today.
Good. This
So-
is our 26th year.
wow.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, our 25th anniversary. It got shut down because of that virus.
Oh, really?
So last year was extended 25. This is 26.
This is quite an endeavor you guys have done.
We had big ideas. We were gonna have 25th anniversary shirts made. Well, we didn't do anything.
Oh, really?
No, we couldn't even do it. It just deflated us. You know, it deflated us.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
How did you get involved in trains? Were you very young or?
Actually, it was my oldest son when he was like 8 years old. I took him. We lived in upstate New York, and right in Schenectady there was Mohawk Trains and Hobbies, and I brought him there. And he just, you know, all little kids, trains. And so I got him his first Lionel train, the O-scale, for Christmas. And we ran it for a couple of years, and then I come down with a hereditary heart condition, took my mom.
Oh, no.
And so we had to pack all that up, and we moved to Florida because I couldn't deal with the snow anymore. And this past year, I put a shelf around the ceiling of the room in our front room where I got some trains. And his train is back running around the ceiling now. And whenever he wants it back, just let me know. It's yours. There it is.
Yeah.
And
Can we include you on the video?
absolutely.
And Tom, what's your last name?
Stuto.
S-T-U-T-O.
UTO.
Okay, very good. Very cool.
Yeah.
So interesting. I love this. Milwaukee Road, it says right on there.
A little quick video of that train running around the
Oh,
ceiling.
let's see.
Here it is.
Oh wow, what a challenge.
Let me see. I got a little quick video of it. Here it is.
There it is.
Where's your train at?
Whoa.
Your train at?
Oh, you even painted the ceiling.
Well, I might be right out
It was simple. Those trees were very, very simple.
And the clouds, beautiful.
Yeah, there's a guy up in Canada. He's got a YouTube channel. His name is Chris Lyons, and he teaches the blob method. And he takes your regular, not even oil paint. It's just water-based paint, and he mixes yellow with a dab of black, and it makes green. And you use these stiff, big Brussels you use for Chinese lettering, and you just stab the wall and mix those trees.
That's it.
You just keep mixing it in and stabs it. It took me 2 days to do all of the trees.
Wow.
And the clouds were the same thing. That was just white with a little bit of black to make a gray, and just blah 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 blah. And just
Wow.
make the gray at the bottom, you know, because no clouds are really white, and the background was already blue. And
Oh, okay.
So it was. You make it sound easy, but I bet it was not easy.
It was.
Yeah.
It was easy. It was.
Wow.
Ah, this is
So
great.
I love this.
This
day.
is so fun. I'm glad we chose to come here.
You come to the. I was telling your wife, you come to the clubhouse any Tuesday.
Where's that?
Tuesday at 7 o'clock.
Where is it?
It's on 3rd Street.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, there it is. I have it. Oh, and it's the museum as
We
well.
have, we have. Now this is the.
We have to go there.
This is the traveling HO and N scale. At the clubhouse, we got a permanent HO and N scale.
Oh, really?
Any Tuesday you can come. We're there at 7 o'clock for a couple hours. And then starting in January, every other month, on the 4th Saturday is open house. And the public just comes and we're running trains. And
Oh, we got to go.
Oh, yeah.
We got to go
we're
see
actually a
the.
historical society.
Oh, that's
Well, we.
And some of the stuff is scratch built. Like there's a cubicle down there that shows the station,
Oh,
the Ocala Station. That was all scratch built.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, and our secretary, who just passed away a few months ago from the virus thing, he scratch built that entire middle piece there. It's like a junkyard.
Oh, really?
Quite a modern. We did a lot of this landscaping with the buildings in here. He just had an eye for it. He just got buildings. Okay, this has got to go. You know, it was done. It was like magic.
That was his
He
genius.
was really good. He ran the steam train out to Kirby Farms.
Oh, he did?
His name was Neil Frisbee. Yeah, he ran the steam locomotive out there.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, he had some sort of a guide that showed him all kinds of odd stuff for sale all over, and he used to look specifically for steam locomotives that were old and needed
Oh,
repairs,
really?
and he'd go and get them. And he came across a 1980 something Dodge pickup truck that had what they call a Stirling engine. Have you ever heard of Stirling?
No.
Oh,
It is
I
an-
guess I've heard of
It's
it.
an air engine.
I don't know
Runs
anything
on
about it.
anything
Yeah.
that'll make heat. It's only got one spark plug. You can check the oil after like 100,000, and it's still like the day you put it in. It's not all black.
Really?
No, because
What?
it's not combustion engine.
Oh,
it's
okay.
an hot air engine that runs on anything that will make heat. And Stirling made these engines, and they put one in a truck, and NASA was running it around the Cape. And they used part of that ingenuity to make the rocket boosters, okay?
Wow.
Well, when they got done with this truck, they sent it to California. It ended up in either a 4 or 5 floor museum out there in California.
Really?
When they got done displaying it, they mothballed it in the basement. They decided to get rid of it. They put it out for sale for $200,000. Nobody was bidding on it. It was in that total thing. Neil never did tell us what he got it for, but he went out to California and he got that truck.
Wow.
And out there on the trip, him and his buddy, they both got the virus. They come home with
Oh,
the truck.
no.
They both went to the hospital. They both went on a ventilator, and they both died days apart. They never come home from the hospital.
Oh my gosh.
So sorry.
Wow.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Yep. It's crazy, crazy.
That wasn't anything to be joking about, that virus. Yeah.
So that truck now is out at Kirby Farms.
Yeah. Oh,
Ah, we know that area. Yeah.
that is wonderful. Well, this
Well,
is
you've been very good, Tom. Thank you so much.
this is a great
Come
deal.
to the clubhouse any Tuesday or Saturday.
Okay.
Every other month.
We're gonna do that.
Good.
Well,
good.
when we put this on YouTube, we'll share it with you guys. We'll find a way to get a hold of you.
Yeah, there's a number and everything.
Yeah. Okay. Is there a website or something? Or
I got a
email?
YouTube channel also.
What's yours called?
OTS RXR.
OTSRX. Okay.
RXR.
Well, I can tag your
RXR.
site. I think I can tag it. Yeah.
The only thing that's on there is a couple real trains running. How I built my HO layout, my old N scale layout, and of course what I did to go around the room and the
Oh, okay.
with the
That's nice.
Not a lot of videos, but that's all that's on there.
Well, thank you so much.
Nice talking to you.
Very nice. My name is Larry. This is
Larry.
Robin.
Yes.
our YouTube channel, for what it's worth, is called The World Spins Fine on Her Own.
Okay.
Yeah, our backstory is we did a radio show for 36 years, and we retired, and we still wanted to do something. So we just got a little camera and started walking around.
Did you say hour back?
I'm sorry?
Hour back? Is that what you said? Hour back?
No. What?
Oh, our backstory.
Oh, our backstory.
Your back's our back.
Right.
Okay. The reason I thought that was because my wife, she was married to an hour back.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a small world.
No. We had a radio show forever.
Okay.
And The World Spins Fine on Her Own. It doesn't really need us, in other words. They don't really need us.
That's neat.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Nice talking to you, lad.
That was cool. He had a lot of good information.
End of the line salvage company. Well, there it is, his name. Concept and built by Neil Frisbee.
Oh, there, yeah. Well, you can't get any more detailed than this. This is.
No, it's.
Although he says at their museum they got it, right?
Yeah. I love this.
Here's the sign: trains for the holidays.
Look at all those layouts they have.
Wow.
And all those magazines for free. Old number 41, the Manatee. Almost looks like the engine that 6 Gun had on it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Well, that's got to be permanently there, right?
Oh, okay. I thought it was on a train.
Very cool. Yeah.
Look at all this. This is just flames on the track.
Flames?
Oh, well, you know how they do in the 1950s.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Here it comes. Woohoo! Chugga 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 chugga.
This is so grand. Oh, Red Caboose, here it comes.
You see this guy?
Look at the little chains to make it go. These are all the trains in Anthony. All the pictures.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
There's a cow got loose.
And somebody cut down the tree.
Oh no!
See it? Look at that.
Oh no!
Wisconsin Central Union Pacific.
Where's the Silver Spring sign? Where was the Silver Spring? Oh, over
Right
there.
here. Here's the billboard.
Oh, Silver Springs. Okay, that's what I was looking for.
That's the billboard. Ocala Transit Company of Bus. Yeah, Silver Spring sign there.
Very good.
That's Ocala Transit Bus.
Oh, okay. We didn't see these ones over here, Robin.
Oh, okay, we got it.
These little ones over here.
Sort of history in the 1940s.
Oh yeah.
Steam locomotive to diesel electric locomotive transition.
There's a caboose like you remember as a kid, right?
Isn't that something? Yeah. And it's all to scale. All the people and everything.
You know what? This is the one that was set up at Light Up Ocala.
Oh, okay. I like the way the tunnels, they do tunnels and tunnels over there.
Well, I remember at Light Up Ocala, the man who was telling about it. Go to the other quadrant, though, one over there. Because this is time travel.
Oh,
see?
that's right. I see the sign.
And so this is in the 18th, and back here is before there were trains, so that's why the train goes under it.
Yeah. Oh, how clever. Oh, and there's a steamboat.
Yeah.
1840s. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that 1840s. Look at all, and isn't that clever to make it go underneath?
Very clever. There's the Ocala train station.
Look at that Christmas train. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Old New York Central system. I love the Christmas cards. Oh, all decorated with train cars.
I see it. All right. We hope you had as good of a time watching. Now, do not comment on my poor videography skills.
No, I thought they were great. I love the trains.
I am not here to compete with Mark Emery. I'm just here to hold the camera and walk around and see things. So when somebody asks me about the camera, yes, I'm going to turn the camera upside down looking for the name of it. Oh, there it is right there. I couldn't even find the name. Anyway, all right, you guys, thank you for coming with us on this trip, whatever.
This is great. Trains at the holidays at the Weber Center at the College of Central Florida right here in Ocala, Florida through December 30th.
Yeah.
So take care.
And here's
Yes?
one more thing I want to say
Okay.
before we do our ending.
Okay.
Look, I challenge you to go in there, watch these trains, and not go woo woo.
I know, that was a fun part.
You will go woo woo.
And nobody yelled at us for going woo woo.
Although Robin did knock one train off of its other train.
Yeah, that was my fault. And then I started to touch something, and a girl came up and said, "Oh no, no, so
No.
don't touch." And I know I can't help it. So
You
I
can't
had to-
trust old people.
I know, I can't.
All right,
trust
take care,
me.
be good. Don't forget to write.
Remember, writing is very important.
And the world
spins fine.
on her own, baby.
World spins fine on her
Back to the car.
Okay.
Yeah. The world spins fine on her own.
Let's see what this
The
sign
world
says.
spins fine on her own. Yes. The world spins